So what I feel right now, I hear you say that you chasing your audience and you waiting for when audience is active and you do that, that is good. But it get into the point someday you actually really busy those days, you can't post it, which means it get into not consistency. And when it get into not consistency, and it will not work. Here's what I want to say. The building a business, it is more about work. We are work on business, not work in business.
Correct.
Right? Work on business, not work in business. Right now, we are new. Yes, we work in business a lot. That's totally fine. But the goal is we want to work on business. Later on, remove us. We do something bigger, something smaller. Someone will do that. And that is the goals. All right?
Correct.
So is that helpful for you to?
No, it is. It's, you know, what you're saying is right. And like, I'm aware of that. It's not that I'm not aware of that, but it's just a thing in my head that, when you post something, you expect a very high expectation. And then at times, like sometimes when you post something so amazing, it doesn't actually do as well. And, you get upset about it, or you feel down about it, or you start asking like yourself questions, like, for example, why didn't my post do as well? Is it my work? Is it Instagram itself? Like all of these questions that come along. But then when you make other posts and that do so well, it literally makes up everything that you were feeling before. And then you won't even have to worry about what you posted before and about what didn't work and about what worked. What matters is that, it reaches those people. And really what matters is I hope this posts benefit for some people and adds value into their life.